Okay, so very good morning. Uh, our today's topic is about network topology. Like yesterday, we have start our class with network devices. In network devices, we have learned about hub, switch, router, repeaters, and so many another devices that are used in networking. But today's topic is how to create design or how to make easily comfortable in networking, like how to understand easily the design part of your network. So the way of connection of your network devices is known as network topology. Like what is the criteria of the connection? What is the way of connection of network devices? How network devices are arranged? That we are not saying this is a network design. We have to say that is a network topology, way of connection of network device. In our last class, we skipped the topic of cable. So in today's video, after network topology, we will also discuss about what are cables in our network. So topology are of two types. It is also belongs to basic part. Physical topology, like physical arrangement of devices, is known as physical topology, and logical topology. Physical topology and logical topology. In physical topology, all the devices are arranged with hardware devices, cables, modems, and another device. In logical topology, we are not using devices. In logical topology, we have to discuss about logical address of my PC. Like logical addresses are protocols. Actually, protocols are the set of rules for communication. So we will discuss it later. First of all, we will work on physical topology. So we have so many physical topology, traditional topologies, bus topology, ring topology, star topology, tree topology, mesh topology, and at last, hybrid topology. But the interesting fact is that bus topology, ring topology is not used nowadays. Okay, tree topology is rarely used also. Star topology is used nowadays for LAN connection, local area network. Mesh topology is used in WAN connection. And on all over the internet, mesh and hybrid is used. But in our topic, we have to learn about bus topology and ring topology. So yes, we are going to discuss about bus topology. So in bus topology, what was the design? In bus topology, we have one cable, like common cable that you have seen that cable in coaxial cable, you know that, like in television system, you have seen that cable. In that cable, on the both end, we have B and C connectors. I will show you about the connectors, like how the devices connectors are there. And with a single cable, devices are connected with P-type connection. P-type connection. Like this is the bus topology example. Cable is connected with T-type connector. I will show you with the PPT also. In this bus topology, like one cable is there, and with one cable, all the server, workstation, laptops are connected with each other. And bus topology concept is that in bus topology, it orients all the devices on a network along a single cable running in a single direction from one end to another end. PCs are connected with this. These are the PC, CPU, and keyboards are there. If one PC wants to send information to one, then at that time another PC are not able to send the data. So bus topology is like based on this cable only, and this is the cable, and these are the BNC connectors. Like T-type connectors are this, that is connected with PCs, and this is your barrel connector. These are the terminators that are used with that cable. But nowadays, this topology is not used. Like this is my LAN card. LAN card is in which you are using your internet cable. So in bus topology, this type of connection is used. VNC connector is used. But nowadays, this topology is not used. Why? Because this topology is not used. This topology is slow with the heavy network traffic and with a lot of computers, because network do not coordinate with each other to reserve time to transmit. Okay. So bus topology in modern network is not dealing with the large amount of data. That's why this topology is not used. Okay. Okay. So done with the bus topology. So I'm going to erase this. So now I'm going to discuss about ring topology. Now in ring topology, all the PCs are connected with each other is a type of ring, like 1 PC, 2 PC, 3 PC, 4 PC, and 5 PC. And this topic belongs to network fundamentals, not in CCNA, because in CCNA 200-301, directly they start with the network devices, and they have to study about spine leaf architecture and so many other things that we will discuss later. So in ring topology, PCs are connected like this. And in this ring topology, we use the concept of token ring, like data go like this clockwise direction, and acknowledgement comes anti-clockwise direction. Like if I'm sending data, I have to send data in clock direction, like clock watch is there. And after that, I will receive the data from another direction, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If one PC wants to send information to 4 PC, then it is not able to send in anti-clock direction. First, it will send data to 2, 2 send data to 3, 3 send data to 4. After acknowledging data, it will reply on this way. But the problem of ring topology, if any of one PC, if any one PC is not working in my design, then my whole topology will get affected. Whole topology will get affected in this. So ring topology is also not used. If you want to check this topologies also, I will share with you. This is your ring topology, like PCs are connected like a ring. Ring topology, where I have already told you that all the devices and connections are connected in a ring. In token ring concept is, it is like a star wire topology. In this, shielded and unshielded twisted pair cabling is used. Okay, transfer rate is 4 to 16 Mbps, but like my bus topology is not used, same as ring topology is not being used nowadays, because ring topology provides only one pathway between any two nodes, and ring network may be disturbed by the failure of single link. So this is a problem. Due to unidirectional ring, data packet must have to pass through all the nodes. So also it is slower than your bus topology. So nowadays we are also not using our ring concept. Okay. Okay. So after that we have a topology named star. So star topology is the best topology. Why star topology is the best topology? Because in star topology, we use the centralized network device. Now, how centralized network device works? First, okay, sorry. Star topology. In star topology, we have to use like any switch or hub. So yesterday we have discussed about switch. Switch is a network device which is used to connect another devices with each other. Just understand the concept. I will share the recording with you. Okay, for example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we know that in switch, if first PC wants to send information to 2, first time it will broadcast. After that, unicast 1 to 1. So the benefit of this topology is only centralized network device is there. The problem is only if one PC wants to send data to 2, and for example, 2 PC is not working. So it after broadcast, it will not send that information to everyone. And if 2 number PC is not working, then there is no effect on another PC. This is the benefit of star design. Yes, Dario, I will share the PPT. Not an issue. That is the basic PPT I will share with you. So in star design, it is a concept like switch and hubs are connected with each other with the PCs and servers. In this design, you can check every host is connected to central switch. It is used to send the data from 1 to 1 and 1 to everyone concept. And in star topology, hub and switch both can be used, but instead of hub, nowadays we are using switch. And the question is, why star topology is best? So the answer of this is, in a star network, the best advantages is when there is a failure in cable, then only one computer get affected, not the entire network. Okay, but while in ring and bus, the entire network was affected. And also star topology is high performing as no data collision can occur. So data transfer is very high in star topology, and star topology is known as best topology for all the LAN connections. Okay, so star topology is best. After that, we have a tree topology also. Okay, tree topology. So let me discuss what is tree. Tree is a combination of your bus topology and star topology. Like topology is a design. In your network, you can see any topology. Okay, so you need to understand the concept. So tree topology is like there is a one backbone cable is there. Same that we have discussed in our bus topology. Now, T-type connector is connector with switch and hub. You can say hub or switch are directly connected with your PCs. So you can say it is a combination. Like tree topology is a combination of star topology, whereas multiple elements are connected through single lateral connection. So each node in hierarchy level has point-to-point link with each node and below its level. But nowadays we have some advantages and disadvantages. Somewhere it is using and somewhere it is not using. So what are the advantages? Like advantages is only this, like extension or expansion is very easy in tree topology. Okay, we can easily manage this, and error detection is easily done. Like for example, there is one error detected, so easily we can detect the error. But the problem is when the network is like increased, so cables are very heavily, it is costly, and after like more nodes are added, maintenance is very difficult. Central hub fails, then the whole network will fail. So that's why sometimes it is used, sometimes it is not used. Okay, so tree topology is sometimes used, sometimes it is not used. So after that, we have a topology. The another design of my topology is mesh topology. So in mesh topology, the design is like a ring, but like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Design is like a ring, but each node of each device directly connected with each other. Like this. Every node of every device, every node of every device directly connected to each other. So we have to discuss about this. Like you can see 5 computers are there. All the computers are connected with each other. Mesh topology can be partially connected or fully connected. Now, what is partial mesh and what is full mesh? In partial mesh, each and every device is not directly connected to each other. Like some devices are connected with each other, some devices are not connected with each other. But in full mesh, all the devices are directly connected to each other. Okay, so this is your mesh topology. Basically, it is used in internet service provider. So the advantages is each connection can carry its own data load, robust, and fault is diagnosed easily, and it is providing security and privacy. One point I want to add in this PPT that mesh topology has a redundant path. If my one connection goes down, then we can send our data from another cable also. But the disadvantage is it is a very difficult topology because it is very scalable and complex topology. So cabling cost is more and bulk wiring is required for this design. So that's why mesh topology is only used by internet service providers. After this, we are not using this. So after mesh topology, we have another topology. That name is hybrid topology. So hybrid topology is the combination of topology. Hybrid topology is the combination. First, I will clear. Hybrid topology. You can say combination. What is the combination? Like if you feel that bus topology, ring topology, star topology combined with each other, then that is known as hybrid topology. I will show you. Like this is a ring connection, you can see. Ring connections, one PC is connected with switch. Switch is connected with PC, and PC is directly connected with another PC. Now, if we see that we cannot say any specific name for this topology, like a mixed vegetables, like mixed vegetable. For example, you are eating something in your home, you are mixing your vegetable and you make a new dish. So that dish is not a specific vegetable, that is known as mixed veg. Same as it is known as a hybrid topology. So we have some advantages and disadvantages. The disadvantages is only it is complex in design and costly. But the advantages is it is very scalable, it is very flexible, and it is very reliable. So hybrid topology we can only make when we have to make the design like in which we have to use same star topology, bus topology, and ring topology. Okay, so I think your physical design is clear. So I have this PPT. After this video, I will share this PPT with you also: bus topology, ring topology, star topology, tree topology, mesh topology, hybrid topology. Okay, so in our next video, we are going to discuss about protocols, because protocols are the part of logical topology. And we will also discuss about IP addressing. Thank you.